lumabas, dito sa gitna ang mag-press. Push down in the middle with 2. Dinan mo sa gitna gamit ang dalawang heel. Lalaki. Susukin mo pababa. Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Down. Okay, tama na. Hold it there gently and slowly. Pull your thumbs apart too wide. And ibuka mo. Ibuka.
Fall apart. Pag-iwalay mo. Pag-iwalayin.
Ibuka. Dahan-dahan ang pagbuka.
Dahan-dahan.
Dahan-dahan. Ibuka mo.
Ayan.
Release your hand.
Sikip pa kasi.
Release.
Release na.
Bitaw.
Bitaw.
Wet your hand. Ang galing mong magbuka, hindi ka marunong magbitaw. I'll assist you at this point. Relax. Four fingers.
Four fingers.
Thumb. Flip your thumb. Relax. Feel the clay, the turn of the wheel.
Ang sarap yan.
Slide up. Huwag mong diinan. Walang diin. Slide up lang. Feel the clay lang and slide up.
Light
Hold
lang,
it
light
there.
lang.
Release. One more time. Same thing. One more time. Feel the clay, the turn of the wheel, slide up. In Tagalog, hipuin mo packet para humaba. Sige nga.
Parang nabay. Ayun.
Hindi na English yan eh. Tagalogin nila.
Ayun.
Tagalog lang po si Dora Back na charap.
Marunong magbuka at magpahaba.
Ayun.
Wet your hand.
Marunong magkahaba.
Now, wet lang, hindi hugas, marumi yan.
Wet lang, hindi hugas.
Ang laswang pakinggan pag Tagalog daw, English na lang. Now, the beginner shape is a bowl. So make a bowl, ipupush ng left hand. Flip your thumb, push
pipingerin
with
mo.
this part. Four fingers inside.
Hindi
Sige.
ko kasi naniningger yan
Hold.
eh.
Gently and slowly push. Slide up.
Uy, naka-video yan.
Hold it there.
Voice over
One more time. Hold. Push to the side. Walang pressure.
Penalty.
Push muna bago akyat. Push to the side
Violation.
para.
Hindi,
Slide up.
voice over.
Yan, slowly.
Ayan, ayan.
Until the tip. Up. Hold. Huwag bitawan agad. Hold.
Wala mo sinabing bitawan.
Release. One more time. Isa pa. Lawakan mo para magkasya ang lomi ng Batangas. Push.
Oo nga, pang lomi.
Slide up. Dahan-dahan up. Up. Akyat.
Akyat.
Hold it there to balance. Release your hands. Release. Ayan.
Pang lomi.
I'll assist you for you to see how far the clay can go. Long and slow. Slide up.
Hindi pantay kasi mangkok eh. Ngakangiwi.
Hold it there to balance.
Hindi mo
Hold
pati.
natin.
Hindi pantay pag-awak niya. Ayan.
Tama na po.
Yan, pumantay na. Kanina, hindi.
Ilaway ko itong matulog.
Flat hands. Photo with your master.
Tapos na isang daan mo.
Ayan, meron na po tayong pang lomi.
Pang lomi.
Hingin nyo na po yung ginawa.